Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss a newly topic, that is why should we avoid junk food and how it kills your health slowly. So friends, let's start. Fast food is a type of mass-produced food designed for commercial resale with a strong priority placed on speed of service. Fast food is a commercial term limited to food sold in a restaurant or store with frozen, preheated or pre-cooked ingredients and served in packaging for takeout or takeaway. The smell of fast food increases your sense of taste, causing the experience to also feel more enjoyable. And includes sugars, calories, trans fats and saturated fats, but not a lot of vitamins, minerals or fiber. Eating fast food frequently may negatively affect multiple areas of your body. Prompt memory loss, increased risk of dementia, high chances of getting diabetes. Obesity is right around the corner. Poor liver health, oral problems. Does eating junk food cause health complications? Eating too much junk food can have a negative effect on your general health and well-being and can also reduce your ability to be active. Short-term effects of junk foods. As well as causing you to gain weight, the other short-term effects of eating junk food include increased stress levels, fatigue, and decreased energy levels, difficulty sleeping, concentration difficulties, feeling down, tooth decay. Long-term effects of junk foods. In the long term, eating junk food can lead to type 2 diabetes, heart-related problems such as cardiovascular disease, high blood pressure and cholesterol, overweight and obesity, osteoporosis, certain cancers, depression, eating disorders. The effects of fast food on the body. Headache, depression, acne, dental disorder, heart disease, shortness of breath, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, weight gain, extra calories, bloating. Effect on the reproductive system. The ingredients in junk food and fast food may have an impact on your fertility. One study found that processed food contains pH phthalates. pH phthalates are chemicals that can interrupt how hormones act in your body. Exposure to high levels of these chemicals could lead to reproductive issues, including development issues for a fetus. Effect on the integumentary system, skin, hair, and nails. The foods you eat may impact your skin's appearance. A research review from 2021 trusted source found that dairy, chocolate, foods high in fat, and foods with a high glycemic index, carbohydrates and sugar, were associated with acne, though more studies need to be done. These foods are often present in fast food. On the other hand, the research suggested that eating fruits, vegetables, and fatty acids found in fish and olive oil helped protect against acne. Effect on the skeletal system, bones. Carbs and sugar in fast food and processed food can increase acids in your mouth. These acids can break down tooth enamel. As your tooth enamel disappears, bacteria can take hold, and cavities may develop. Obesity can also lead to complications with your bone density and muscle mass. People with obesity may have lowered bone quality, trusted source, and a higher risk of breaking bones, especially among older adults. It's important to keep exercising to build muscles, which support your bones, and keep up a healthy diet to minimize bone loss. Effect on mental health. Eating fast food may affect your mental health along with your physical health. A 2020 study found that consuming fast foods with sugary drinks increased the chance of mental health issues in middle school students in China. Research from 2018 also suggested that eating a Western diet high in red meat, take-it, and refined foods was linked to a higher body mass index (BMI) and inflammation in 14-year-old participants. This was then associated with depressive symptoms and mental health issues when they were 17 years old. Now let's know about 6 ways to eliminate junk food in your diet. and balanced. Eat regular meals so you do not get too hungry. If you're too hungry, your stomach sends signals to the reward system in your brain that you need to respond to any food cues you see. Try to keep to a regular meal schedule, skip fad diets, and include healthy foods and lots of fruits and vegetables in your daily diet. 2. Drink water first and eliminate sugar sweetened beverages. Sugary drinks like soda, sports drinks, energy drinks, or sweetened teas may lead to weight gain. We are not sure why this is. One possibility is that liquid calories may not be interpreted by the brain as people eat only slightly less food when they drink a glass of regular cola rather than when they drink a 0-calorie glass of water or diet cola. 3. Consume snacks that are nutritious and low in calories. Do you get hungry between meals? Try snacking on a piece of fresh fruit or veggie sticks with hummus. Identify foods that you enjoy but are lower calorie foods that are also low in fat, salt or sugar. Pick foods you enjoy eating so you don't end up craving junk foods. Our stomach and brain needs to be satisfied with food consumed at meals and in between. 4. Understand your stressors. Take time to notice the emotional triggers that can set you up to crave palatable junk foods. Go for a walk, call a friend, try some meditation, or distract yourself. Stressful settings will cause you to have food cravings that will cause your blood sugar to rise and fall quickly, which will affect your energy level and cardiovascular health. Planning ahead on how you will handle these triggers will help you to choose healthier food and beverage options instead of high-calorie alternatives. When we are stressed, we need to drink water and consume nutritious food so our body stays healthy and balanced. 5. Get plenty of sleep. When researchers let people sleep only 4 hours a night for 5 days, they ate more and gained weight. In similar studies, participants reported increased hunger and they had an appetite for high carbohydrate, sugary, or high fat foods. Strive for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Less sleep of 3 to 4 hours each night makes adults more prone to personal injuries due sleepiness on the job, overeating which may lead to weight gain and cause obesity, poor work output due to feeling tired, as well as a poor diet due to lack of regular meals, unhealthy snacks and caffeinated beverage consumption. 6. Keep a smile on your face and realize the downside of marketing. Lots of slick marketing on television, the internet and other media makes junk food tempting. Understand it is difficult to bypass these high-calorie alternatives for healthy snacks and meals. Remember, our food environment makes it difficult for people to eat and drink healthy foods and beverages most days. Take small steps to stay away from junk food and make healthier food choices. So friends, that's all for today's video. See you in the next one. Thank you.